don't take this course. I'm serious. Ever since I started this 6-week brain-based stability and empowerment program, I don't spiral anymore, which sounds nice, but it's actually very disruptive to my old personality.
I don't overreact. I don't emotionally crash after stressful moments.
And my nervous system stays calm now, whether I want it to or not. So rude. The worst part? I didn't have to relive my past. I didn't force positive thinking. I didn't manage myself all day like an unpaid emotional intern. My brain just started defaulting to stability. Apparently, people find emotional regulation unsettling. I respond instead of react. I trust myself under pressure. And that little voice that used to say, something's wrong, quiet. I don't even recognize myself anymore. So if you enjoy overthinking, emotional whiplash, and doing all the right things while still feeling unstable, definitely don't click the link. But if you're an emotionally intelligent adult who's done with surface-level tools and wants stability to feel automatic, click the link to learn more about the 6-week program.
Side effects may include fewer emotional spirals, responding instead of reacting, trusting yourself under pressure, and an inconvenient amount of calm. Results may vary.